Welcome to the MageNative App Setup Guide. Let's get started with the first part and learn how to configure your theme on your mobile app builder. After downloading and installing the MageNative app, the dashboard will open up. On the left side, you'll find the control panel. Here, under Dashboard Setup, you'll see 4 essential parts. 1. Pick your theme. 2. Customize your theme. 3. Brand it your way. 4. Publish. Make sure to click on the Let's Get Started button to continue. You'll then enter the App Studio and navigate to Theme Settings. Here, explore the multiple themes available or create your own custom theme. Once you're satisfied, click on Save and Next. In the next section of Theme Settings, it's time to customize your app. Simply drag and drop elements to make your app stand out. Choose the layout and upload images to align with your branding goals. Under Banner Link, select options like Collection, Product, or Web URL. Let's choose a product like furniture. Once done, proceed to the Layout section and click on Save and Next. Now, onto the third stage, Brand it your way. In the Branding section, adjust app settings, color, and font to your liking. After making your selections, click on Save. You'll receive a confirmation message that the theme has been saved successfully. Moving to the App Settings section, name your app and add an app icon, 1024 by 1024 px recommended size, and a header image, 700 by 200 px. You can also choose Auto On and Off for dark mode here. In the Maintenance Mode section, you can toggle on or off the switch. This mode is useful during app updates. Disabling it will resume normal operations. Finally, in the Font and Color Options section, explore a host of customization options. Once you're satisfied with the changes, click on Apply. Don't forget to preview the app to see how it looks. After previewing, you'll receive the message Theme previewed successfully. App will be shown on mobile after scanning. Congratulations! You've successfully set up and customized your MageNative app.